In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Brevo account. If you've decided it's time to move on from Brevo, whether due to exploring new platforms or simply decluttering your online presence, I'm here to guide you through the account deletion process. Let's make sure you feel confident and informed every step of the way. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to Brevo's website. This is the first step to accessing your account details, so take a moment to do that and ensure you're logged in. Once you're there and logged into your account, the next step is to locate your account name or profile picture. This is often situated at the top right corner of the home page and acts as your portal to more settings and account options. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this drop-down menu, look for the selection labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's in this section you'll find most of the controls and configurations related to your account. As you scroll down through the settings page, go all the way to the bottom. Here you'll find the specific option that you're looking for, either labeled as Definitively Close Your Account or simply Close Your Account. It's this button that initiates the process of bidding farewell to your current Brevo account. Once you click this option, you'll be given a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to close the account. This is a vital part, so be sure to carefully review the information that pops up related to data deletion. It's crucial to know what happens to your data and what you might need to download or save before moving forward. Take a little time to consider this, and when you're sure, you're ready to let go. The final step involves clicking on Yes, or whatever confirmation button appears in this section to conclude the account closure process. Once you've done that, your request to close your account will start the necessary internal processes in Brevo. This confirmation is the last necessary step, ensuring your intention to close the account is clear. There you have it, deleting your Brevo account in just a few straightforward steps. Remember, it's always good to be sure about parting ways with an account and, more importantly, your data. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial, and I hope this process was made simpler for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides.